Hello aquarium enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered about creating betta fish generations with vibrant colors, blending shiny gold, and fiery red? In today's video, we'll explore the journey of raising two female betta halfmoon in super yellow or yellow star color, along with a male halfmoon in red. We'll closely follow the process of getting acquainted, building bubble nests and breeding to see what magical color genes the fry will inherit. This is not just an exciting experiment, but also a lesson in underwater biology. Join me as we start and discover surprises from the betta world. This experiment aims to observe the natural breeding process between two yellow females and one red male, helping understand biological behaviors and genetic factors. Starting the experiment, I prepare the tank by adding dechlorinated water, adjusting the temperature to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and including almond leaves to create antibacterial tannins. The red halfmoon male is released first. It quickly swims around, blowing air bubbles to form a nest, a thick white layer floating on the surface, taking 24-48 hours to complete. This nest protects the eggs, indicating the male is ready for breeding. Next, I isolate the first super yellow female in a glass jar next to the tank for them to get acquainted visually. After 2-3 days, when the female shows vertical stripes, a sign of readiness, I release her in. The red male immediately courts by fanning its wide tail, swimming circles with its striking red color. They begin embracing. The male wraps around the female, squeezing out eggs. Each time, the female lays 10-50 small white eggs that sink to the bottom. The male uses its mouth to pick up the eggs, blows them into the nest, and fertilizes them. This repeats for 1-2 hours, but sometimes the female bites the nest due to agitation, requiring gentle separation with a net to avoid injury. After spawning, I separate the female immediately as the male becomes aggressively protective of the nest. The eggs develop, turning gray after 24 hours, with the male fanning water to provide oxygen. By day 2-3 eggs hatch into larvae hanging under the nest. The male continues care, retrieving fallen ones. A major challenge is water quality. I change 10-20% daily to prevent mold, monitoring pH closely as fluctuations can kill eggs. Additionally, the male's red color may influence behavior, making it more aggressive, requiring constant supervision. After completing with the first female, I let the male rest for 1 week, then repeat with the second super yellow female. This time, the nest builds faster due to experience. I record data, number of embraces 15-20 times per pair. Egg count 200-500 behavior. The second female lays more, but the nest is prone to breaking due to high humidity. Interesting observations. Eggs from the yellow-red pair initially have a light yellow tint mixed with red, differing from pure pairs. The red male secretes nutritious mucus from its mouth to feed larvae. The entire process lasts 2-3 weeks, requiring patience and minimal intervention. When larvae swim freely day 4-5 after hatching, I separate the male and feed newly hatched Artemia. Fry develop quickly, but survival rate depends on clean water and food. Challenges encountered. Some eggs mold due to high heat, using mild antifungal medication. Overall, the experiment educates on betta breeding cycles, especially how cross-color breeding can lead to genetic defects if not selected properly. The results show both breeding attempts were largely successful. With the first super yellow female and red male, about 300 eggs were laid, with a 70% hatching rate, 210 fry, thanks to a sturdy nest. The second female laid 400 eggs, hatching 60%, 240 fry due to partial mold attack. Fry initially carried light yellow from the mother mixed with red from the father, leading to diverse colors like orange or red-yellow, proving cross-genetics. Analysis: 80 degrees temperature and clean water determine success, but cross-color breeding yellow-red increases tail defect risk in 10-15% of fry. The red male's behavior is more aggressive, emphasizing gender roles and care. Lessons: select similar color pairs for gene stability, but crossbreeding offers appealing diversity.
The experiment proves halfmoon bettas breed easily at home if prepared well, providing insights into breed conservation and improved raising techniques.
In summary, the journey of raising two super yellow halfmoon females with a red halfmoon male has revealed the miraculous breeding process, from bubble nests to multicolored fry. We've learned about patience and fish raising science. Will further breeding create new unique colors? Try with other varieties or long-term monitoring. I hope this video inspires you, and remember to prioritize fish health.